What is up, guys? Today we are here with a new video, and this is going to be something I haven't created on my channel yet, but yeah, it's going to be very interesting. So I've been playing this game, Company of Heroes, and I thought of creating my own maps. Like Age of Empires had a scenario creator, this doesn't have as well. I did some research and finally came to this, and I thought it was a good time. This is an old game, but I think it's never too late to create a tutorial. I have seen some of them, but on the point, this one is going to be a better one, and which will get you started creating your own maps. And yeah, that's it, I think. So let's go. So as you have the Relic COH shortcut, so I have Company of Heroes Tales of Valor. So guys, open file location. So guys, go to your Company of Heroes directory. So first of all, first things, you have to see this, check this World War II, or I call it the World War II folder. I don't know what it means actually. So when I did it first time, I just had these two folders, archives and movies. It didn't have the data folder. So you're going to create a data folder. In that, a scenarios folder, you have to create it. Then in that, you have to create an empty folder, and there's where you are going to have your maps. So these are basically my 4 custom maps. This one, which is I made mine, and I think I'll make a video on playing that map. Yeah, anyways, so you're gonna go to this location again. You're gonna first make that directory until the MP. So www data scenarios MP, and then you're gonna come to this. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. So when you're in this, you're gonna scroll down and you see World Builder. It's gonna open. So it's gonna open this window. So you have to create new. Okay, so you're new, and then you're gonna locate your NP folder, which is right here. I have. Okay, and then you're gonna create a new folder, and I'm gonna name it tutorial map. Open this, and then tutorial map, and as you can see, you can save it. So it's gonna take a while, and then you can see this thing. I don't know why this gave me error, but yeah, I think it is common. Yeah, but you can see it asks you blank terrain or use template. I don't have template. I don't like say template. I say template. Okay, so you can make terrain size. I'm gonna use 576 by 576, and playable area 480 by 480. So terrain size is the size of a map, and playable area is where it's like your out of bounds thing. Yeah. So you're gonna press OK. And this is gonna take a while, because it always takes a while. So it's gonna load, it's going to go non-responding, but don't fear, it's gonna load. So I'll be back when it gets loaded. Okay guys, so the matter of fact, we are just loaded the map, and this is some big ass area which is full of emptiness. So how you're gonna get started? So first of all, you're gonna go overlay, and toggle show playable area. So this actually shows how much area you can play in. So yeah, so first of all, we're gonna make it green because this looks terrible. So we're gonna go to tile right here, texture tile painting editor, and you have this layer. This is the first layer. If you are good with photo editing, you will understand this quickly. So this is the first layer of our terrain. So I'm gonna make it. So first of all, select this preview so you can see things. So you're gonna open grass and just select one. And I'm gonna select this. looks good. Or you can use this looks too much ugly. I think we'll use the mixed one. This looks cool. Okay, as you zoom out, you can see this like, you know, this thing, fog type thing. You're gonna toggle it with this, and then you have a full clear view. And now we're gonna make the out of bounds area, so we'll not have a feeling like we're playing in an empty area. So to place objects in this editor, world builder, it's known as, you have to go to this button, which is object placement. You gotta select this, and this builder is pretty slow. I don't know why, but yeah, compared to others I've used. So you gotta go to, yeah, EPBS and SPBS. I haven't figured it out, but I use EPBS all the time. So you're gonna go to environment and then art, nature. Then we're gonna have trees L. I presume that means trees large and trees small. And so we're gonna select some grooves. So I selected groove 2, and to spawn it, if you left click it, nothing happens, but if you right click it, you can see. So we're just gonna create some Dane forests or something like that. Yeah. So we don't feel an empty thing. So I'm gonna just fill this up, and I'm gonna be back in a minute because it's too much. I'll just fill it up fast. Wait a second, I'll come back. Okay guys, I just finished it off. It was tiring, but yeah, I did it, I think. And there's no copy paste in this world builder, which is actually sad. Just did all this thing. Shit it was. Okay, so back to the topic. Now, for now, we're just gonna ignore the HQs and that stuff. We're gonna go and edit the physical map first. So you're gonna go to height map editor. So you get additive, smoothing, and brush size, feather, whatever. So yeah. I think I should take very deep water, which I actually always use. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna take a big brush size. And so I'm gonna make it like the I think, if I remember, I don't know. So we're gonna make a big hill in the center, a river flowing by it, like it's gonna be like this, and one HQ here, one HQ there. I think that's a pretty good idea. So you got one hill, you just press L and D, and you get one hill, and you just press like this, and you get another one. So you get two hills, and let me just create the river, and that's it. No guys, no. So tell me, how is a soldier going to climb this steep hill? So I think I'll make something. Nothing. Okay. So now that looks like pretty much a hill. But yeah, it's not the final hill because I edited a lot. I'm just, taking its size for now. Let's see. Looks pretty good. No, just flatten this out. Okay, so I have the smoothing tool on my R&B board. You can have subtractive, which for example, if I press it, it goes like this. Like decreases the value, and if I press it again, LMB, it increases it. So when I increase it, I want it more. So we have this borderline. Okay. Come on, increase, go, 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 go. Okay. So this much big hill is more than enough. Now, I don't think that's a very ideal hill, so I'm just gonna raise its heights to like, yeah, don't think me a fool, guys. Let's see what I'm gonna do. So I need this thing big. These, oh, okay. So we're gonna go to smoothing and then press right key and let it do the magic. Let it do the magic. Okay, so this is, I don't know why, but it bugs out for a second. And look, we have our smooth hill, baby. Smooth hill. So if you want, if you can just smoothen it more. And yeah, that looks cool. Just now make it flat. So we have, for the point, have something that looks cool. That looks pretty cool. And we're gonna just smoothen this out. Okay. 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 It just increases or decreases the value. And we're gonna go do the same thing for this. Just create like some estimate small hills, what size it should be. I think that's it. So I'm just gonna increase the areas right now. I presume this will be more awesome than this, but yeah. Let's smoothen this shit out now. I need to smooth this. This one looks much better than the previous one. I should have made that. This one looks much good. Just gonna give some heights right here because it looks ugly. Smoothen it out, 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 smoothen it out. Smooth this thing. This, and this. It's a tiresome work, but yeah, it's worth it. Playing on your own map. You know, you can use totally different cheating things, which I did, and it was funny for the first time. Now this looks like something, not a hill, but artificial hill, so I'll just extend it up somewhere right here. So we have now a good hill. It looks like irregular, which is actually good. Because regular hill looks okay. So I'm just gonna take it subtractive and I'm gonna reduce its value. So yeah, that's it. That's the ideal size. I think I'll go 23. Yep. So the river is going to be. Oh, sorry. I'm just smoothening out the area which is already smoothing. So here you go, guys. This is going to be our river. So let me select this shit. Okay. So you can select objects and just delete some trees. So if you want to delete them, you're gonna go to object placement again, and then delete. Okay, thank you. Just move this a little bit here and this little bit here. And this little bit here. this little bit here and this little bit here. Okay, it looks decent now. And then just go to this thing again, you know what I mean, and just go for the height decreasing thing. And loop. So we have to create it till a big span. So here we go, from the right middle. Okay, so this looks not so good. Just gonna level it. Okay. Okay, this looks decent, and I'll just create a big lake here. Guys, I'll seriously be back after this thing. I'm so sorry, but I'll be back. Okay guys, so we are till here, and now you have to just smoothen it, and that will look like something like a river, but that's too much high, I think. Control Z, I'll take a steep. Okay, so you're gonna go to this blue thing, water placement, and just have it here. Okay, so this isn't filling the whole thing, so you're gonna press this thing, and in the current you're gonna just test out some values. I think I'll go for 9.7. This looks amazing, but not that amazing. Let's go for 9.5. This looks better. And this is this is the first map. I don't know why this piece of land coming in shitty. I think it will be. So this was, I think, the first part of my tutorial. This is just a physical thing of a map. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like below. I'm really sleepy right now. We'll see you next time.